Okay, this chair is super uncomfortable. Whatever. Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my Vegas Get Ready With Me. Trevor and I are here in Vegas to celebrate his 35th birthday, and I thought I would do a little get ready with me while I'm here. I'm gonna do like a full glam, kind of metallic, smoky eye look, or I don't know if I'm gonna go smoky. We'll find out. I'm just gonna kind of wing it. So I'm set up here at the Vanity in our suite. We have a suite, it's awesome. You guys will just have to wait for the vlog to see it. And I just realized I look naked on camera, which I want to get demonetized for, so hold on. Okay, just throw on a shirt for right now, just so that I don't look so naked. But if you're new to my channel, I just want to welcome you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought of the look, or let me know what some of your favorite Vegas spots are. And of course, take this moment to please make sure that you're subscribed. If you are not, hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell. And let's just get into my makeup here. So I have all my makeup here. So many bags. It's a little bit much, but you know what? I don't care. And obviously there is a vlog coming, so if you guys want to see that, make sure that you are following along. But for right now, I just need to get over there my hair pinned back. And for tonight's activities, it's actually just Trevor and I. Right now, I'm just priming my skin with some milk lipstick. All of our friends are coming tomorrow. Tonight's just kind of like a private night for us. So we're thinking we're gonna actually have dinner in the room. We very rarely do room service. So we thought since we have this massive suite, we would just be bougie and also do room service. So that's a possibility. We're not entirely sure. I'm gonna check with Trevor once he gets back. But I'm going in with the You Woma Say What Weightless Soft Matte Hydrating Foundation. I haven't used this in a little while, but I brought it because it's a little bit deeper and I have a tan going on. So a lot of my other foundations don't match me, and this one has had the problem of being too dark to use. So figured now's the time to pull it out, and it looks like it is a good match now. So this is for sure my tan foundation. And in addition to the vlog, I'm also going to be filming a Las Vegas outfits video, just like a video of literally all the outfits that I'm wearing here. So if you guys want to see that, again, make sure that you are subscribed and you're following along, have your notifications on, all of that good stuff. Then next we have concealer using Tarte Shape Tape. I am starving right now. Trevor and I flew in at about noon and we haven't had like an official lunch. I've snacked on some stuff, but we haven't like actually gone and legitimately eaten anywhere. We went like straight to the pool, basically, which I am not mad about. The pool here at Planet Hollywood is like kind of lackluster, honestly. I mean, it's actually, the lounge area at the pool is very pretty, but the pools themselves are just like so unimpressive. We're like trying to look in to seeing if we can just buy a day pass to a different pool nearby, but we'll just have to see because we're noticing that they're actually kind of pricey right now, which is shocking. Although not really that shocking because it is Vegas. Fantastic. I forgot powder. Awesome. Just, you know, that's just how it goes. So I'm just gonna use my regular face powder. Unfortunately, that does mean though that my under eyes won't be very bright, but it's fine. I think there are worse things in life. There we go. I'm so shocked that I forgot my powder. I even remember like holding it when I was packing all of this thing. And I was just at Walgreens too. I went to go get us some water. We hadn't drank all day and we were both like so dehydrated from going to the pool. Wow, this is really melted. I think I just like, I got a lot on that side, whoops. So much more came off than I anticipated. Oh my God, no.
Monkey butt?
Man, there's Trevor.
Hey, monkey butt.
Hi. Oh, come say hi to the video. There's the birthday boy.
Hi, video.
So, have you fully decided we're eating in tonight, or do you feel like you want to go out?
Sure.
No, but what do you want? I presented you with 2 options. You have to pick one.
Well, if we eat in, that'd be kind of baller. We've never done that.
Right? Going into the Sephora I Love palette, I'm just taking that beige color all over the lid. Well, you let me know what you want to do, because room service usually takes a little while. So if we want to eat at like 7:30, we should order like 6:30.
Oh, okay.
And I'm taking this pink shade.
What's the attire for this place tonight?
Well, it's just the bar at the Cosmo, so I don't think it's like a set attire. And then next, I'm gonna go into, oh my god, your battery's gonna die. Anyways, I'm gonna go into this dark brown right here and just put it on the outer corners and kind of create a V shape inward. Then this is the star of the show. I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. Cosmetics metallic cream or liquid eyeshadow in the color Moon. I'm just gonna dab it right on the lid. Let's do one eye at a time because I don't know how quickly this dries. And just press it on. Oh, that's so pretty. You can definitely do more though. Gorgeous. And then just let that dry and do the other eye. Perfect. Going back into the brown, I'm just gonna redefine that outer edge and blend it. So jumping up to the eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. They are tinted right now, so luckily I don't have to do much, but I am gonna go into the, what is this? The ColourPop like Feather Effect Styling Wax, and I'm just gonna fluff them up. But I always go down first and let it kind of sit there for a second. And I feel like it helps to keep them up better when I brush them so that you look so weird. And then fluff them back up. Perfect. Now working on my eyeliner. Just doing a little mascara to prep for lashes. My lashes are still drying, so I'm gonna return to my face. Taking my powder, I'm just gonna do an all over sweep, blend that cream contour a little bit. And then taking Hotel Heiress. This bronzer is so pretty. This is like my go-to. I've been using it for years. I'm just gonna go over those contour areas. Next, cheeks, and I'm gonna use the Pixie On The Glow blush. This is their tinted moisture stick, and I'm just gonna literally, oh, one side definitely have more than the other. That's fine. Grabbing my brush, just gonna blend it in. Get that good sun-kissed look, which I feel like I should have because the pool was so hot today. We were roasting. I mean, the pool felt nice, but it was more. The weather was so hot. I think I'm ready for lashes. Pop them right on. I advocate this all the time. Always make sure your lash tweezers are clean when you grab a new lash. Cool. And then now just to set the face. And taking my highlighter. This is the Glam Cosmetics Accent Line Highlighter, and this is in the shade Flirties, which I think was a limited edition one, but I love this stuff so much. Let's go ahead and then press it in, and then taking my inner corner brush, highlight the inner corners and the brow bones. Perfect, and I'm gonna do a little bit more on the tip of the nose and down the bridge. Pretty, just like soft and pretty. For lips, I'm gonna go dark. I'm gonna use Be Bold from Glam Cosmetics. This is her Outspoken liquid lipsticks. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna work on my hair, but you guys need a battery change, so hold up. All right, we're back. So as far as my hair goes, I actually really like the texture that's going on. I like the fact that it's just kind of like undone, just a few bends and stuff here and there. But I have had this hair all day, so I definitely need to brush it out, number one. But I'm just gonna kind of play up the texture a little bit. And all I brought with me on this trip was my straightener, because you can basically do anything with a straightener. So whenever I just have to kind of limit, usually bring my straightener, but I am just gonna kind of create bends, pull it, then the other way, pull it, and just like play at that texture, like I said. So just bend one way, not bend the other way. Just very undone. It looks like I just maybe had my hair up in a bun a couple days ago and this is what happened, which is actually truthfully how I got this texture. So it needs to go inside. Oh God, that was too much. Too much. Perfect. Just keep going. Sorry, you guys ran out of memory, but that was actually probably good because I realized I should probably give you guys like a little bit more insight into what I'm actually doing to my hair and to create this like kind of undone texture. So let me walk you guys through one of the strands. Basically, I like to start it going out, but I take my straightener and I twist it out and just kind of pull it through about halfway down, then take it, twist it in halfway through, all the way down. So it creates that kind of just like bent texture that just like looks very effortless, but definitely very much took a lot of effort, along with the fact that I burned my finger off camera. So this finger's in pain, like it's throbbing. But I just like how beachy and casual this looks. Kind of like I have naturally wavy hair, which I've always wanted, but my hair is stick straight. And for the last strand, I'm going the other way. I'm going in and then out. Beautiful. And kind of shake it out. And I'm just gonna redo this front piece on this side. It's just not cooperating. Hair is done, makeup is done, and we're gonna end it here because as far as my outfit goes, like I mentioned, I'm gonna be doing a whole Las Vegas outfits video. So that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy birthday again to this guy, and make sure you guys are subscribed so that you guys can see the vlog and the outfits video, and make sure to like and comment on this video, and I love you, and I'll see you guys in my next one.